Welcome to our video today to know everything about the Vaishnav Devi temple and tour guide. Vaishnav Devi is temple of Ma Durga and is also one of the most powerful 108 Shakti Peethas. It is believed that the person visiting this temple will overcome all the hurdles in life. In this video, we will cover how to reach the temple, cost to stay, hotels around the temple and how to plan the darshan. Please watch the video until the end to watch the important tips and do not skip the video as the prices for stay and travel are mentioned. Vaishnav Devi temple is located 14 kilometers from Katra at a 5,000 feet elevated mountain called Trikuta in Jammu. This temple is visited all around the year, but it is better to avoid the rainy season. The best time to visit this temple is from October to June. You can also avoid traveling during the winter months from December to February if you are not used to cold, as it gets very chilly during the winters. So if you are traveling in winters, do not forget to pack your heavy winter jackets. You might need light jackets during the other months as well. Talking about the number of days to stay, it is recommended to stay 2 days and 3 nights, but you can also finish the darshan in a single day stay. Now let's see how to reach the temple. Jammu is the nearest airport located, which is around 45 kilometers from Katra. You can hire a cab for around 1000 rupees to reach Katra. Delhi, Punjab and Chandigarh are the other nearest big cities with major flight connections. Not only that, these cities also have direct AC and non-AC buses to Katra. In 9 to 10 hour journey will take you to Katra. The buses will cost anywhere from 400 to 1000 rupees per person, and it is better to book online in advance. Sri Maya Vaishno Devi Katra is the nearest railway station available. Now let's talk about where to stay. There are a lot of hotels available in Katra between 500 to 5000 rupees depending upon the hotel and seasons. Accommodations are also available near the temple on the hill for 200 to 300 rupees. These accommodations can also be booked online on their official website Sri Mata Vaishnavas Devi Shrine. Let's discuss about different ways to reach the temple. By walk, there are 3 tracks available. You can choose any track to walk and might take around 7 to 8 hours to reach. You will find some shops, washrooms and waiting rooms along the track. Horses and palikis can be booked near Dharshini Darwaja. The cost for horse ride is around 1250 rupees and palki is around 3150 rupees. Trolleys for kids are available with a person to push the trolley for 500 one way. Battery cars also available to book online and offline. You can book these through the official website. You have to book it 7 days before the ride. The battery car cost might be around 350 rupees or less. Helicopter rides should be booked online on the official website at least 60 days before the ride. The cost per person is around 3600 rupees. After the Vaishnav Devi temple darshan, you will visit the Bhairav Nath temple. The trek to Bhairav Nath temple is tougher than the Vaishnav Devi temple trek. Alternatively, rope cars are available at 100 rupees per person. Tickets can be bought at the counter near the temple on the hill. Now we are going to tell you few tips which are very important to know before your travel. Tip 1. The most important thing to do after reaching Katra is to get a RFID card for every person visiting who is over 5 years of age. You can find the RFID centers in registration centers like Katra New Bus Stand, Katra Main Chowk, Katra Niharika Bhavan, Katra Railway Station, Jammu Airport and near helipad. You don't have to pay any money to get this card. But you will need an ID card like Aadhaar card, driving license or PAN card. The centers are open between 5 AM to 10 PM all days. There is no online portal for RFID. Tip 2. Camera, belt and other leather items are not allowed inside the temple. Lockers are available near the temple to use at free of cost. Tip 3. Once you reach Katra base camp, there will be checking point for bags. Action cameras and electronic items are not allowed except for mobile phones and chargers. Sometimes you can also leave the bags with the shopkeepers at a certain cost. Your yatra will not be completed if you miss to visit the Banganga, Charan Paduka, Ardhakuvri cave and Bhairav Nath temple. To know the importance and stories, do not miss our next video.